Okay, it has come back and I'm in again. And it's pulling back again. So I think what we're going to do is pull my stop away. 12 is going to be too tight. It's moving, it's swinging outside of my normal 12 tick stop. So I'm going to take a little bit of a flyer here, pull my stop away, because every time it moves in a direction, it's the stop's just too tight. So now this will be the third attempt to break in past this 2840. So we'll see what happens here. My 500 tick, geez, this is not good. Trending upwards, 1 minute, still upwards. Big tails here on my 1 minute candles, don't really like that. However, I'm in it. And we'll see what happens. All right, this position is looking worse and worse. So I think I'm going to pull the plug here.
Order filled.
Yeah. Reason is that my 1 minute is now crossing my 75 SMA. So this consolidation, as it were, is the beginning of the top of this possibly for the day. And my 500 here, it's closing below my 200 or my 75 on this one also. So we'll give it in a few minutes to see what it's going to do. Maybe a short position. I may be done though.